When visiting our installation, Synesthesia, extended perception, the visitors are entering a different world. The feedback we received from the several hundred visitors was overwhelmingly positive. Initially impressed by the technical aspect, a majority of users were fascinated by the phenomenon that is synesthesia. Synesthesia is a perceptual phenomenon in which certain impulses automatically and involuntarily trigger a second unrelated sensory impression. The first thing visitors will notice when entering the showroom is the control unit in the center of the room. Adequately named the synthesizer, it combines hand movements with both sound and color. The 4 built-in sensors can track both the user's hands individually and can portray the movement onto the surrounding LED walls in real time. As the user moves one hand from left to right, one can hear the sounds of a musical scale. And by hovering a second hand above the sensors, a second sound effect enters the mix. By linking sounds with different colors, as well as intensity and brightness, we try to express the phenomenon of sound-to-color synesthesia. As the user continues to walk around the room, he will notice that he is standing in a sea of color. The 20 square meter floor of our room consists almost entirely out of LED panels. The exciting thing about these panels is that they are pressure sensitive, meaning every step is tracked. As the user walks around, he will notice different geometrical shapes and objects spread across the floor. When approached, the geometric shapes slowly rise to the top of the surface as vibrant colors. This expresses another common form of synesthesia, the correlation of certain colors with certain shapes. The last component of our installation is made up of over 2,000 LED balls, forming 3 of the 4 walls surrounding the user. Our graphically generated content, such as the information output by the synthesizer, then gets accurately displayed onto the LED strings via screen capture. Another effect created in part by the LED strings is the infinity mirror effect. By interviewing and working with people that experience synesthesia, we like to think that they have an extended perception of the world around them. This is abstractly expressed through our infinity mirrors, making the room feel a lot grander than it actually is.